Here something. One of the most important parameters in 3D printing is the fan speed. So what fan speed should we choose? Is it better to always set airflow on 100% or reduce so what don't turn into yourself? Here is 4 cubes with different printing parameters. Looking at this modest test, you can think that setting anything else when full speed is bad. Or isn't. Maybe you heard what less fan speed equals to best durability. And because of it, I watched a lot of videos and make some tests. So now you don't have to spend several hours to watch this fluff. Better look to this cat. And now I'll print 2 benches. One with always full fan speed. As you can see, I set overhang cooling activation threshold on 0% and always fan speed 100%. But I don't know why always some lines still blue. 0 fan speed, even with settings like this. Maybe you know, I'll appreciate if you print in comments why it's like this. And also for comparison, the second bench with reduced fan speed on long print time layers. You see the settings on your screen. Well, such a good moment to show you the biggest con of Adventurer 5M. As you can see, it just stopped printing for no reason. And nothing can help it. The bench's pipe not printed, not a big deal after all. But sometimes it stops printing on the big models, and it's not good after all. I would say it's the only reason to not buy Adventurer 5M, because it's very cheap, very good, very fast, and so. But at this moment I can say where's some lines I can see, what I haven't seen before. On a gold filament it's quite visible. Here I can see some area with more accurate print. I will see if what's the difference where. I don't know, fan speed is quite the same. Print time is much smaller. But how does it causes the more accurate print? I don't know. Here is the with full blowing one is done. And here is no such a problem like with previous. Here it is. We'll compare now. After all, it's quite a rare problem. I can't see any difference. Wait, I really can't see any difference. Oh, look what I found. I just found some shrimp. So there is no difference. And what I can say after watching all the videos, what has more quality? What the only reason can be to print with slower speed is to make parts stronger. One silly misunderstanding is to measure the fan speed in percent, because y'all have different printers. My printer is Adventurer 5M, and you'll of course have different parameters. Let's keep it concise. I hope you appreciate it. Soon I'll upload a video about this my new invention. So like, subscribe, comment, bye.